Here we go now, baby. Give it to him, little Christensen. Here's the target. Alright, we'll stop right now. Now it's recording. How you guys all doing?
Doing great.
That's it. Here's Sister Wilkins coming up. She prefers the heaviest ball. She works out, what is it, every Tuesday, every Wednesday? Let's go, you go get it. Go get it. You gotta be a go-getter.
Wagstaff's not getting that one.
Go, go, go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Here's Sister Wilkins.
Davis, what happened to the speed?
And...
Oh, it curved.
Oh! What a nice shot. What do you guys say about that, Sister Wilkins? That's shame on her face. What do you guys say about that, Jose?
I thought it was pretty good. She had it going straight for a while. Then she kind of got out of luck and it started to curve over to the right. But she's going to pick it up. She's going to pick this up really nice. Oh, see now watch? She's going to pick it up really nice.
Oh, nice comeback.
Are you watching this?
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go with Elder Christensen. Let's see how it's done. Any comments before you make this? It's all in the hips. There he goes. Pretty good. What do you guys say about that, Elder Christensen?
Nice curve, nice curve.
Yes,
Had it been for the larger pole in my way, I think I would have done a little bit better.
Yes, that is a formidable pole.
Do what we can.
Let's see what you got in yourself. You tired? You tired? And here he goes, here he goes.
All good.
Whoa. What do you guys say about that skill?
Nice, nice. Got it right down the middle, beautiful. Hit him and hit him. That's what we say.
How do you feel about that, Elder Morley? It's okay, it's okay.
You know, in that sweet spot, I don't know what the deal is though. Maybe I just suck. Most likely B.
Alright, well, we're gonna go for now. Let's see what she's got, folks. How do you feel about that, Sister Hardison?
Look at this.
Great?
I don't like you.
I got it. It was all me. I got the strike right here. Control.
How's things going today, guys?
Right here. This is what we're doing here. We're controlling the ball with the joystick.
Yeah?
It's a new thing they got here in the Czech Republic. I got him a strike.
Am I up?
You got me a strike.
Yeah? We got McConkey down on the lane. Oh, I'm out of here. Here you film.
Here it comes.
Here it comes. Let's spin.
Let's go. Let's see the turkey. Good spin though. It's all about spin. It's not about the game.
Is it all about the game? Yeah.
Get Walton in there. Gotta get Walton in there.
That was pathetic.
That was.
That was ridiculously horrible display of bowling if I've ever seen one.
Let me see. Let's
You
see
want a
what we got.
horrible, horrific display of bowling, you'll
California
see it right
glory. California girls.
here. Ouch.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
I don't know what happened. We'll have to see what happens next time.
That's okay. Happy ending, huh? Happy ending. Let's see it.
You're not going to do it yet.
Oh, I'm Elder Morley. I'm Mr. Cool. I think I'm cool. Go back to California.
This is strike number 3 coming up here, folks.
We got Wagstaff going for the turkey.
Look at this. Look at the score. No, I'm holding out the strikes until the last one. Here comes the last one. Oh, dang it! God.
Let's see the anger on that face.
What?
What happened?
I don't know. Hey! They're giving me free pins here.
Okay, we'll give you one more chance.
This is Lego. That's the way we play in the Czech Republic.
Sister.
Dang.
Let's see it.
88.
Davis steps to the plate. Serious.
The way I do this, I go for speed. Pins don't matter. 41.1. Try the granny roll.
41 is the record.
That's the record that I have. I have 41.1. I have to beat that. I almost got to throw some speed on it.
Oh man, there's some speed there.
Let's look up here.
I don't know if I can tell. See what that says.
37.8.
Am I up?
I think you're done.
You getting tired?
We're done?
Hey, you're up. I need to get back.
That was nice. That was nice. Okay, Feek, show us how it's done here. We bring you the wolf. Elder Feek.
Do you have any suggestions? Any like words of advice? Perhaps less skills.
I got a point.
That's you! That's you! I want you! I want those pins!
Bring it on, bring it on.
Oh! Oh!
I don't know, I've seen
I want
better.
that last pin!
I've seen better. Here he goes, here he goes.
Which nobody can deny. Oh!
No go, no go.
I think it came right down and you didn't want it. What did these dudes say?